Hello and welcome to C++ Weekly. I'm your host, Jason Turner. I want to remind you that I am available for on-site training. Now, this is a great opportunity to get on my training and travel schedule for 2026. So be sure to reach out. You can find contact information below this video. And let's start a conversation about getting on-site training for your team. In this episode, I'm going to talk about another C++ 26 feature. And this one is about using bind for non-type template parameters. This episode is based on this feature, bind front and back for CNTTP callables. And if you don't know what that means, then the title doesn't mean a whole lot to you. We can look at CPP reference here, and we can see that in C++ 26, we get bind front and bind back. And they take as the first parameter the function. It's an auto parameter, template parameter. So this is a value parameter for the first parameter of the template function instead of taking the function as the first parameter. We're going to attempt to observe this, and we'll see where we get with it. Might make sense if we just disable optimizations, because otherwise I'm afraid the compiler is just going to do far too much work for us to be able to see in an otherwise tiny limited example here. So I've disabled optimization. I've got my add function. I'm going to go ahead and create a bound function. And you're probably used to this. I'm going to go ahead and pass this. So I'm going to bind front add, comma 1. So now I have a function that has the value 1 bound to it. So if I call bound of 3, I am going to call add with the values 1 and 3, and I'm going to get 4 returned from main. And you can see the actual thing that was generated here. That's a big name. Let's try OG. OG still knows at compile time this is an add function. So how do I, what if, so the point of this new C++ 26 feature is I can now make the function itself a template parameter. And there we go. We can see that basically the compiler has to generate considerably less code here. And what it comes down to is that we get to avoid passing a pointer to the function being called. And this could have significant performance and binary size implications depending on how we use these bound callable things. So that is the crux of it. That is the point of this bind front for CNTTP. This is a C++ 26 feature. Be sure to subscribe. This is a very short episode, but I want to show you an example as to where I think they did not take this feature far enough. And I'm going to record that next episode right now.